Hey, today we're fixing and installing this lamp. So yeah, this lamp. I made this at middle school when I was 14. All this time it has been in my garage. I never got to it to install a fitting and a lamp in it. Now I have a blind spot in my garden and I really need a lamp, so I thought that's about to change. So inside is just a wire and we're gonna install a fitting for a E14 lamp. I selected this LED lamp comparable to 60 watts and this simple fitting will do the job. Bracket is installed, lamp is in there, wire coming out is fixed. I'm gonna close it and have a test run, see if it works. Quite funny. As you can see, my number from my class at the time is still stamped in there. I didn't even know that anymore. It's closed. It's hooked up to the power. Let's see if I can fry myself. Hey, works like a charm. Now it's ready to be installed outside. Let's go. So we're back in the garden and we want to place this lantern exactly there. With the light switch about here. First I need to make a hole for the cable. The light switch we will place on the wall and then we'll connect everything inside. For now we don't need this anymore. Solid enough. As you can see, I already hanged the lamp. Now it's time for the light switch. This switcher is made for a solid core. I only have a soft core wire, so I'm going to use these. This is the lamp connected to the switcher. Now we need to supply the power to the switcher. I'm gonna tap into the power of my garage light. The neutral, or 0, depends on where you're from, does not need to be connected to the light switch. We're gonna loop them. I'm gonna use this solder connection. These soldering joints are also shrink wrapping. So here comes the fun part. You can see the solder melt. Now that these are connected, I'm gonna slide back the extra shrink wrapping that I placed there before. And we're gonna do the same trick again. This should be good. Now we need to connect it to the power inside. Always switch off the power if you're working on electricity. Number 1 rule. Since I use 2 black wires, I don't know which one is live and which one is neutral, so we're gonna measure that. We're gonna use the beep setting, of course. So we know this wire is my live wire. I took off the electricity already, so I can do this safely. Okay, I turned on the electricity again. I think I connected everything well, measured it twice and a third time. Now we're gonna test if this lamp works. Nice. So another thing that needed to be done, check off my list. See you in the next video.